Right now, I'm here in the BongKoch district of central Pattaya, about to check out two monthly rooms here inside the LK Premier. The first is a standard room here inside the first building that's priced at 13,000 baht per month. The second is a studio room in the opposite building, priced at 14,000 baht per month. Nice and soft. Next, I'll check out a studio room in the opposite building here. Now back here they have a decent sized pool. So there's your balcony view, facing the side of the building. So you've got a large table and chairs here too. Safety box. Set of towels. Here you have a fitness room, some resistance machines, cardio machines, free weights, even a Smith machine here. So there's the contact details for the LK Premier. 2 phone numbers, an email address, and an official website. The LK Premier is located on BongKoch 8, a side street of BongKoch. As always, I'll post the Google Map location link in the video description. A short walk to the right of BongKoch is this part of Third Road. If you cross here and walk through the food and bar area straight ahead, you can access BongKoch. If you'd like to make a donation to help support the channel, I'd really appreciate it. In the video description is the Buy Me a Coffee link. I thank you to channel members Dave Knudsen, Tor Osley Rusvik and August Rush. The standard room, as showed inside the LK Premier, is priced at 13,000 baht per month. The studio option, 14,000 baht. There's no charge for electric and water usage. The booking deposit is 1,000 baht. Rooms are cleaned every other day, so 15 times a month, and have access to Wi-Fi. The nightly rate for both, 650 baht for the standard and 750 baht for the studio. So my opinion of the rooms, both options I highly recommend. They are the best value service rooms that are viewed in the city. Room cleaning every other day is a huge positive. Like other rooms in LK hotels, the furnishings, good quality, with most of the essentials inside. The furniture and rooms in general in impressive condition. The king size mattresses on the bed felt nice and soft when pressed in my hand. So the price difference of the two rooms is 1,000 baht. In my opinion, the 14,000 studio option, the better in terms of value for money. The room is slightly larger with superior furniture, more privacy from the balcony and window, and a more spacious shower area in the bathroom. So the amenities in the first building, a fairly well equipped fitness room and decently sized pool in the second building. Some downsides worth mentioning. There are some issues with the location of the LK Premier. Certain areas of central Pattaya are a fair distance away. For example, Soi BongKoch, a 10-minute walk on foot. Second Road, a 20-minute walk. And in order to access both, you need to cross Third Road, which is an absolute nightmare to do so due to heavy traffic. As for the rooms, some minor issues. The balcony view from both rooms, not very appealing. The standard room especially, with it directly facing another building. Both of the rooms lack the kitchen area with sink to wash cups and plates. And that is a negative for those staying monthly. The standard room also lacked the safety deposit box, and the TV in that room far less modern. The second building that I showed is the nicer of the two and in better condition. So based on value for money, I'm going to rate both rooms an impressive 8.5 out of 10. The rental price for both may sound expensive, but keep in mind, electric and water usage is included in the rate, so no extra charges. Also, room cleaning is every other day. Fresh towels and bedding also. And the rooms are great quality in general. I definitely recommend them. Before I end the video, nearby the LK Premier on Third Road, here's the LK President. The deluxe rooms I'm about to show you are priced at 36,000 baht per month during high season and 33,000 baht during low season. Very soft. Nice big wardrobe. Just the drawers. Decent sized TV. Hairdryer. Lounge chair here. And also a device that controls the lighting, air conditioning, alarm. And there's your balcony view. See the whole city from up here. Down there you have the pool. So just straight ahead there's Third Road. So excited. And after there's Soi Buay Khao. Flannels, toothbrush, toothpaste. Here's the gym on the 19th floor. Well equipped. This is one of the best hotel gyms I've seen. Smith machine. Dumbbells. I'm impressed. So right now I'm going to call it a day. I appreciate your watching. If there's any condo projects, apartment buildings or hotels in the city you want me to check out, just leave me in the comments. Also on my channel I have memberships available if you'd like to sign up for them. And if you could all please like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. As always, I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care.